Hi everyone, welcome back to C2C Mentors, and in this video we will be talking about all the colleges under the Symbiosis umbrella, उनके cutoffs क्या expected है and at what percentile you can get a call from which college. We have been getting a queries from a lot of students saying कि उनकी profile के according कौन से calls expected है, they need some guidance on it. So this video is completely dedicated to that. Plus we will also be discussing, I should say, the placement figures, the highest package and average package of all the colleges, so that you get a fair bit of idea and you can make a wise decision for yourself. Starting with none other than SIBM Pune. SIBM Pune के अगर आप cutoffs देखो, it will be around 97 to 98 percentile. Now, if I say 98 percentile, that is to be a short number. You will get a call. You should get a call at 98 and 98 plus plus. But if you see 97, ये number है based on previous year's data. Previous year they had reduced the cutoffs a little bit because of the new pattern change that Snap had brought. The new marking scheme जो उन्होंने लाया था, उसी की वजह से they had reduced the cutoffs a little bit. अगर आप पैकेज की बात करो, highest package goes around about 45.5 और average भी अच्छा खासा है, around 23. Now, if we go to SCHMRD, इसका cutoff आप देखो तो it is around 95 to 96 percentile. 96 percentile again on a sure shot side, and 95 percentile जो है आपका, it is again based on previous year's data. Previous year जो हमारे results आए थे, जो students को calls आए थे, it is based on that data. अगर आप there's one more program for BA का अगर आप cutoff की बात करो, it is around 93 to 94 percentile पे आप call expect कर सकते हो from SCMHRD. Highest package अगर आप देखो इस college का, it goes around about 33 lakhs per annum and average जाता है 17. Now this college is really doing well in all the domains as far as your HR, marketing, operations, finance is considered, and it is offering beautiful placements on the campus with good companies. अगर आप आगे देखो SIIB Pune, this college again dedicated to international business. इसका cutoff आपका जाता है 92.5 percentile to 93 percentile. तो अगर आपको इस रेंज में आपके स्कोर्स है, यू कैन श्योर एक्सपेक्ट द कॉल फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज. प्लेसमेंट्स की बात करेंगे हम, हाईएस्ट पैकेज इसका जाता है 16 के अराउंड एंड एवरेज पैकेज गोज अराउंड 10 lakhs per annum. अगेन इसका जो कोर्स करिकुलम अगर आप देखो, इट इज रिवाइज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस. तो somebody who is really interested and wants to do particularly international business, they can opt for this college and expect calls at around this percentile. Coming ahead to SIBM Bangalore, SIBM Bangalore का कट ऑफ आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो अराउंड 90 percentile. अब इसका पैकेज देखेंगे, इट हैज द हाईएस्ट पैकेज ऑफ 32, विच इज अ वेरी गुड पैकेज. अगर आप बैच के टॉप 5 टॉप 10 percentile में आते हो, यू कैन गेट दिस पैकेज एंड इट्स अ नाइस नंबर. एवरेज पैकेज की बात करेंगे 10.4, विच इज ऑल्सो अ डिसेंट नंबर, आई शुड से. कट ऑफ इज 90 percentile. अगर आपको 90 percentile स्कोर है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली एक्सपेक्ट अ कॉल फ्रॉम SIBM Bangalore. Sibm की बात करेंगे हम, Sibm is dedicated to operations again. We know this institute is known for operations. इसका जो curriculum है, I should say it is really appreciated by industry experts. And cut off इसका देखेंगे तो 87 percentile है. पैकेज की बात करेंगे 17 का हाईएस्ट जाता है, एवरेज पैकेज इज अराउंड 11. So somebody who is really interested in operations and wants to build a career in operations, definitely look out for this college at just a cutoff of 87 percentile. SIDTM Pune, again a college dedicated to digital and telecom. It has been doing really good in these years. Package, अगर placement figures की बात करें तो it has really been doing well, offering the highest package of around 29. तो 30 lakhs का तो आपका highest ही हो गया. Average अगर आप देखें तो it is around 11.63. Okay, so all the students who have cleared the SNAP exam with at least 80 percentile have a good chance of getting a call from this college in case you have applied to this preschool. Moving ahead, again, what do we have next is SCIT. Now this college you can expect a call at around 70 percentile. अगर 70 percentile है आपके तो you have the decent chances of getting a call from SCIT board. Highest package की बात करें, it is going around 23, which is a very good number. Again, अगर आप batch के top 5-10 percentile में आते हो, you can get this number, which is a good number. Okay, moving ahead, let's see what we have next is SIMS. SIMS का भी कट ऑफ आपका 70 percentile है. हाईएस्ट पैकेज गोज अराउंड 26, which is again a good number to look out for. Average package आपका जाता है around 10.66 का, which is a decent number to go for, but 70 percentile pe you can get a call from SIMS, sure. SIMC, again, you have Institute for Media Communication, कट ऑफ जाता है अराउंड 70 परसेंटाइल. इसका पैकेज भी अगर आप देखें इट इज 13 का, बट द कोर्सेज दैट इट हैज टू ऑफर, इट ऑफर्स आई थिंक 4 स्पेशलाइजेशंस. ये हमने पहले की वीडियो में भी बात की थी. इट्स अराउंड ब्रांड कम्युनिकेशन हो गया, आपका पब्लिक रिलेशंस हो गया, मीडिया एनालिटिक्स हो गया, there's one more, मीडिया मैनेजमेंट. तो अगर आप इन सब चीजों में इंटरेस्टेड है, यू वांट टू गेट इन द बिजनेस साइड ऑफ मीडिया and communication, go for this college at just 70 percentile. SIBM Hyderabad and SIBM Nagpur, both of these colleges can give you calls at around 60 percentile. अगर आप SIBM Hyderabad की बात करो, the highest package goes around 12 lakhs per annum and average goes around 8.6. And Nagpur का अगर आप placement देखो, cut offs दोनों के same है. Nagpur का अगर आप देखो, it goes around 16 and average goes to 10. So Nagpur is a little bit focused on agribusiness side. Food के लिए it is well known. It is one of the best B schools in Nagpur in Maharashtra. So this is the college you can expect a call from at just 60 percentile. अगर आप SSBF पुणे की बात करो, the Symbiosis School of Banking and Finance, all you banking and finance lovers, आपको इसका कॉल आ सकता है एट जस्ट अराउंड 60 परसेंटाइल. तो अगर आपने 60 परसेंटाइल सिक्योर किया है स्नैप एग्जाम में, you have applied to this B school, you can be expecting a call from this B school. इसका अगर आप प्लेसमेंट भी बात करो, highest package goes around 11, average goes around 7, and the roles offered are also good, oriented towards banking and finance. अगर आप बात करो SICSR, again at 60 percentile you are getting a call from this college. Computer Science and Research का ये है institute under the Symbiosis umbrella. You get branded by the Symbiosis umbrella. Highest package ये देता है 7.88 and average package is around 5.24. So these are the colleges which you can expect at whatever percentiles you've got. So make a proper analysis of what colleges you can expect a call for. I have mentioned all the cutoffs in each of these slides. Do watch this again. Do analyze at what percentile you can get calls from which colleges, and then apply to all these colleges. Okay, make a wise decision. Go through the placement figures also, and then start preparing for your GEPI VAT. Okay, just excuse me for my throat, it's a little bad, I know, but yeah, so just start preparing for your GEPI VAT, because once you get the shortlist, it's like it's going to be really quick. Okay, you won't be getting a lot of time to prepare. So when it comes to your GEPI VAT preparation, be very well versed with all the current affairs, all the general awareness topics, all the group exercise practices, case discussions, personal interview questions, behavioral questions, because each of these colleges will be asking you a different set of questions. The previous year की हम बात करें तो कुछ colleges ने opt किया था VAT conduct करने के लिए in online medium. कुछ colleges opted out for VAT, so they did not offer to conduct VAT. Okay, but group exercise हुए थे, and that was also online. There was one particular, we had students who were expected to do scit, to perform a skit amongst their groups that were formed for all the shortlisted candidates in online medium. So then that also requires a lot of practice, and I will quickly walk you through what we have created for all the students enrolling for the Symbiosis GPA program. Yes. So this is the dashboard we have created for all the students. Okay, this program is dedicated only for Symbiosis preparation. We have all the videos uploaded for YMBA, all SOP writing ho gaya, strengths and weaknesses ho gaya. All your GK feeds have been documented here, so you can just quickly start reading all of them. Beautiful topics, must know topics, general knowledge, आपके सारे GDPI sessions. We offer you frameworks जो आप answers में use कर सकते हैं to curate your answers, to personalize your answers. We will not be giving you direct ready-made answers as to all your PI questions are considered. We will help you form your questions. Okay, all the specialization workshops regarding your marketing concepts, finance, economics, broadman, operations, what else we have, brand management, all the profiles that you have, so that you can justify in your interviews that why you want to go for a particular specialization. Again, the PI sessions, they will be live sessions. All the questions related to Symbiosis, we will be discussing. Case discussions, we have a lot of case discussions will be happening live. Current affairs, we will be having current affairs session live also. Case analysis, again, it's a little bit different from case discussion. So we will be teaching you how to analyze a case, and we will be solving a lot of cases with all of you guys as well. And then comes the group exercise. So we will be having a lot of group exercise sessions. We will also be helping you with VAT in terms of abstract topics, in terms of factual topics, in terms of picture-based VAT. So all these lectures will be happening online, live, and you will be also getting mock PIs. You will be getting mentored by SIBM folks, Symbiosis students, and that is how we plan for the Symbiosis GPI program. So all of you guys who get the shortlist, who are expecting the shortlist, start preparing for the GPI VAT program, because in no time you will be getting the shortlist, and in no time you will be getting all your interview dates as well. In the video जो मैंने morning में upload किया था, I mentioned the dates that you need to look for कि shortlist कब release होगी हर college की. So अगर आप देखो, so it's like this week. Agle week tak you will be getting a lot of shortlist. Okay, so start preparing for GPI VAT. I will be pasting this link of the program in the comment section below. And whatever queries you have or whatever videos you need from our side, please put a comment in the comment section below so that we can help you. Till then, start practicing. Start looking for what are the things you can prepare on for GPI. And till then, take care. Goodbye. That's all from my side here. Yeah, take care, guys. Bye. Thank you.